Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a step-by-step guide on how to make money online. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or dreaming of replacing your 9-to-5, we've got you covered. We'll break down proven strategies that can work for anyone willing to put in the effort. So, grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let's unlock your online earning potential. Before you dive into the world of online business, it's crucial to find your niche. Think of your niche as your online territory, your area of expertise, or the specific audience you're targeting. This is essential for building a loyal audience and attracting a consistent stream of customers or clients. Instead of being a jack of all trades, become a master of one. Let's say you're passionate about photography, travel, and cooking. Instead of trying to conquer all three at once, pick one and make it your focus. For example, you could create a website dedicated to teaching others how to take stunning travel photos on a budget. The key is to find the sweet spot between your passions, skills, and market demand. What are you genuinely interested in? What are you good at? And is there an audience out there willing to pay for your knowledge or services? Research your ideas online, explore relevant hashtags on social media, and see what others are doing in your space. Finding your niche is the foundation of your online business, so invest the time and effort to get it right. Alright, you found your niche. Now it's time to build your online home base. You don't need to be a tech whiz to create a professional-looking website. First things first, you'll need to choose a domain name. Think of this as your online address, so make it memorable, easy to spell, and relevant to your niche. You can use platforms like GoDaddy or Namecheap to search for available domain names and register yours. Next up, you'll need web hosting. This is essentially renting space on a server to store your website's files and make it accessible to visitors. There are tons of hosting providers out there like Bluehost, HostGator, and SiteGround. Now for the fun part, designing your website. Use a website builder like WordPress, Wix, or Squarespace. These platforms offer user-friendly interfaces and pre-designed templates, making it easy to create a stunning website without any coding knowledge. Make sure it's mobile-friendly, as more and more people are accessing the internet from their smartphones. Your website is your online storefront, so make a great first impression. Let's talk about affiliate marketing, one of the most popular ways to make money online. In a nutshell, affiliate marketing is all about earning a commission by promoting other people's products or services. Here's how it works. You find a product you love and want to recommend to your audience. You sign up for the company's affiliate program, which gives you a unique affiliate link. Then you promote that link on your website, social media, or email list. Whenever someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that it's a win-win situation for everyone involved. The customer gets a valuable product or service, the company makes a sale, and you earn a commission for facilitating the transaction. Now, the key to success with affiliate marketing is to be authentic and only promote products or services that you genuinely believe in and align with your niche. Don't just recommend random stuff because it pays a high commission. Your audience will see right through that. Instead, focus on providing value to your audience by recommending products that solve their problems or enhance their lives. Share your personal experiences, write detailed reviews, and be transparent about your affiliate relationships. There are tons of affiliate programs out there, so you're sure to find ones that fit your niche. Some popular affiliate networks include Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and CJ Affiliate. Building trust with your audience is crucial for affiliate marketing success. Have you ever thought about packaging your knowledge, skills, or creativity into digital products? Not only is it a fantastic way to earn passive income, but it also allows you to impact a wider audience and share your expertise with the world. The beauty of digital products is that they can be created once and sold an unlimited number of times. No inventory, no shipping costs, just pure profit potential. Plus, you have complete control over your pricing, marketing, and customer experience. So, what kind of digital products can you create? The possibilities are endless. You could create ebooks, online courses, templates, printables, stock photos, graphics, music, software. The list goes on. The key is to identify your audience's needs and create products that provide value and solve their problems. What are they struggling with? What information or tools would make their lives easier? Once you have a solid product idea, it's time to create it. Don't get bogged down by perfectionism. Just start creating and iterate along the way. There are tons of affordable tools and software available to help you create professional-looking digital products, even if you're not a tech whiz. Next, you'll need to choose a platform to sell your products. You can create your own website or use existing platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, Teachable, or Podia. Finally, it's time to get the word out about your awesome digital products. Promote them on your website, social media, email list, and any other relevant online channels. Freelancing has exploded in popularity in recent years, and for good reason. It offers the ultimate flexibility and freedom to be your own boss, set your own hours, and work from anywhere in the world. Whether you're a writer, editor, graphic designer, virtual assistant, web developer, or any other skilled professional, there's a good chance you can find freelance work online. The first step is to identify your skills and what you enjoy doing. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing so much that you do it for free, but luckily you don't have to? Once you know what services you want to offer, it's time to create a portfolio that showcases your skills and experience. This could be a website, a PDF document, or even a social media profile dedicated to your freelance work. Next, you'll need to find clients. There are tons of online platforms where you can connect with potential clients, such as Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer.com, and Guru. You can also network with people in your industry and reach out to businesses directly. When setting your rates, don't undervalue your skills and experience. Research what other freelancers in your niche are charging and don't be afraid to negotiate your worth. Remember, you're providing valuable services, so charge accordingly. As a freelancer, it's essential to manage your time effectively, meet deadlines, and communicate clearly with clients. Freelancing can be a challenging but incredibly rewarding career path. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Remember, building a successful online business takes time, effort, and consistency. Now, I want to hear from you. Let us know in the comments which method you're excited to try, whether it's launching your own blog, diving into affiliate marketing, or creating your first digital product. And don't forget to share this video with anyone else who's ready to unlock their online earning potential.